Adel clamps. The bane of home builders. Adel clamps are not that difficult to install. It's laid out in the plans on the hardware to use. AN 525 10R10 is a typical screw with a NASA 1149 Foxtrot 063 washer and a MS 21042-3 nut. Occasionally you'll have to enlarge the holes to a 1/4 inch in order to put on like a valve cover or something. And very well laid out in the plans. Tools I'm going to use today: P1 Phillips screwdriver with a 3/16 shank. And you'll see how I line the clamp up with the screwdriver. I'll close it with the hemostats. This is the typical hardware we use: 525 10R10s and 21042-3s. We use a NASA 1149 washer, and on a rare occasion you'll get a 21042 like this one with no threads on the inside. So I'd say every 1 in 500 or so you can't get it started. There's why. No threads. Amazing. So I'm going to get this camera put down and in place, and I'll show you how easy it is to install Adel clamps. Typically use them to attach something to the engine mount for security. I'm going to attach this fuel line right here, and we're going to get her done. Alright, we have our Adel clamp in position on the motor mount. We're going to put one on the hose here to determine the orientation. Get it wrapped around the hose so we get the little thing in the right spot. Get these lines up. Start the screwdriver through the first one. Get the hemostats on there. Look at that. First one basically in place. If I need to loosen it up, move up. That easy. Second one. Can use another pair of hemostats. Get this one clamped onto the screwdriver. Here I'm trying to show you how easy it is, and I'm struggling. Usually it's not this difficult. Get the screwdriver through it. There we go. You could use needle nose vice grips for this if you like. Get that one out of the way. Put the screwdriver out. Put your 525 screw in there. Your washer on the back side of it. 21042 nut. Get that started with your fingers. Pop the hemostats out of the way. Grab your 1/4 inch wrench and your trusty drill set to some low torque value. A little bit higher torque value. There you go. That one's done. Double Adel clamp done in about a minute. Okay, we have our Adel clamps in place. We got the MS 525 screw and the 21042 nut holding everything in place. That hose is not going anywhere. About 1 minute, no sweat.